Welcome to cookingwithdenise.com.
Today we're making chicken adobo, a Filipino recipe. This dish is addictive. It has tender chicken, sour, garlicky, and creamy sauce. This tasty recipe is also so easy to make. Let's start by making our marinade. We have 1 cup of rice vinegar, 2/3 a cup of coconut milk, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use liquid aminos. Calls for 2 Thai peppers cut in half. I have 1 I'm using. And then we're going to smash 3 cloves of garlic, now let's put our chicken breast in. I actually am using chicken tenders and tenderloins. You want 4 chicken breasts, or the equivalent of 4 chicken breasts. Okay. Now we're going to marinate this overnight. Let's take a quick break so you can subscribe to my channel. In a few days, I will be preparing a delicious meal for using leftover turkey. You do not want to miss out on that video. Okay, let's heat up our iron skillet to medium high. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil in. You could use avocado oil, your favorite cooking oil. Now I have our chicken. It's been marinating overnight. I used chicken tenderloins. You could have used chicken thighs, bone in or without. Cooking times vary as a result. And so let's put our chicken into our grease. Now we're going to cook these chickens, tenderloins or thighs, whichever you're using, for about 3 to 4 minutes. Since we have no bone, we're going to cook them about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Now let's take our marinade and strain it. We're going to save that marinade. Okay, let's add our marinade into our chicken. And we're going to let it come to a simmer. And we're going to simmer it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now, because I used a boxed coconut milk instead of a canned, I'm going to thicken my gravy for this chicken. If you use the can, you probably don't need to do this, but I put a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and with half a cup of water, and so I'm going to slowly add that to the gravy for the chicken. Now I'm going to add a little freshly ground black pepper. And turn my heat down. Now our chicken has been cooking for 10 minutes. It's thickened up nicely. And it is ready to be plated. I have made up some rice mixed with wild rice to serve my chicken over top of. There we have our chicken adobo with our gravy on top of our wild and white rice. And I've got Brussels sprouts sauteed in bacon and maple syrup on the side. Enjoy your dinner.